Various components of the Dotnet framework. Previously, we discussed about Dotnet framework and its features. Now, first off, we'll discuss the architecture of Dotnet framework. This is the architecture of Dotnet framework. Dotnet framework contains various components, such as language layer, common language specification, Windows and web forms, AGO.NET and XML, basic class library, or BCL, common language runtime, or CLR, WPF, WCF, WF, LinQ, and AJAX. Now then, in this lesson, we're going to analyze Msil Net Assemblies. So let's start off with MSIL, which means Microsoft Intermediate Language. When you compile a program developed in a language that targets the CLR instead of compiling the source code into machine code, the compiler translates it to Microsoft Intermediate Language, or MSIL, or IL, which is Intermediate Language. In addition to translating the code into MSIL, the compiler also produces metadata about the program during the process of compilation. Metadata contains the description of the program, such as classes, interfaces, and some resources. Assemblies. Assembly is a logical grouping of one or more managed codes or resource files. In this figure, we are passing the file names of some managed modules and resource, or data files, to a common tool. Now this tool produces a single PE, programmable executable file, that represents the logical grouping of files. This PE file contains a block of data called the manifest, which simply is just another set of metadata tables. Now these tables describe the assembly. Types of assemblies. There are two types of assemblies available in .NET. One is private assemblies. Another one is shared assemblies. Private assemblies are created when we build the component files like Dynamic Link Library, DLLs, that can be applied to one application. Shared assemblies are created when we want to share the component files across multiple applications.